These are the boxes the rims were packed in. This is the condition they arrived in. 3 of the boxes are very badly beat up. This box was missing one side entirely. This box is the only one that was in decent condition. All the others were really banged up, and the wheels were about to come outside the boxes. All 4 of the rims were packaged improperly. This is how I found them when I opened the boxes. Inside each box is a plastic rim protector which should have been attached to the front of the rim but was not. A plastic bag that the rim should have gone in but it didn't. A sheet of foam that should go over the face of the rim that was not used. A mesh bag that should have gone around the rim but it wasn't. And instructions for the aftermarket wheels that were originally shipped with all of this packing material. The rims themselves were put into the box without any protection, and all of this packing material that should have been used was stuffed into the back of each of the rims. Now, the seller is filing a claim with UPS because he says the damage to the rims is UPS's fault. But these rims never had a chance. They were never packed properly before they were handed over to UPS. As I said, the rims arrive without any protection. This is how they should have been packed. The foam goes on first, then the rim protector, then the mesh bag, and then the plastic bag. In my opinion, the damage was caused by the seller not packing the rims properly. The damage was not entirely the fault of UPS, although they did handle the packages very roughly and they were damaged. The seller described the wheels as like new condition with only 1,500 miles on them. Now they may have looked like that when he put them in the boxes, but they did not arrive looking like that. There are scratches all the way around the circumference of all 4 of the rims and halfway up every spoke on the rims. There are also deep chips and places where the paint is abraded all the way down to the primer. You can see here how every rim is badly scratched, and there's primer showing through here and here all the way around these edges. These would have to be sanded down, primed, painted, and clear coated, which would cost more, or powder coated, either which would cost more than I paid for the rims. This is not what I purchased. I purchased like new rims with 1,500 miles on them, not rims that are entirely scratched up.